Of the boat. I'm the historian.
Third annual Oscoda Cardboard Boat Races. Brought to you by Complete Realty LLC. And Luke.
Well, there's all the signs are on it. Turn it around so we can get the picture. We gotta get.
This is Carl, your driver. And there's this pit chief, Mr. Riddler. Brought to you by Flex Steel from Scaff. Okay, they say there's nothing illegal about this boat, but we'll see what's underneath there later.
This is my game face, and I got one for Carl.
Oh my God, that's funny!
Let's hear. What do you got to say to him? What do you got to say to him?
This is what
Yeah.
I'm going to say to him right here. Right here.
That's pretty brutal, man.
That's right, Ka.
Where's the third boat?
That's not down here?
I don't know. She better hurry. She's gonna be DQ'd.
She's probably coming down in some get up.
She's gonna be DQ'd before we get here.
Oh, Todd, that was awesome.
This one's brought to you by watermelons. Apparently watermelons. Fantastic.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God, they are awesome.
Those are so cute.
Carl,
That's funny.
getting his gear ready.
Flex Steel. Nice. Go ahead, Carl.
He's got his cooler in there.
Flex, Carl.
Ready to drink some beer.
He's got a
Like
cooler.
steel, baby.
Hold on. Hey, whenever we go
Pretty
out on the
nice.
water,
It's a pretty solid machine. Pretty solid
It
machine.
looks pretty solid.
Lucas, don't be throwing no sand at her.
I don't know if mine's going to make
Where's the other boat? Isn't there supposed to be a third boat?
Yeah, we're waiting.
Third boat's going to be penalized for delay of game.
Put your baby face on, Carl.
Big crowd gathering. Big crowd. Arrived.
You better hurry, you're going to be DQ'd.
You're 3 minutes late.
Where you guys get those faces from? Carl misses you so much, you made him cry.
Looks like the feet from back in the
Oh
day.
my God. How funny.
What baby is this one? That's Carl, I know that.
That's Cha-Cha.
That's you, Kirika?
Erica.
Oh my God.
And then here's the last boat.
I found it at the dollar store.
What'd you say? What'd you say about dollar store?
I found him at the dollar store up here.
Oh my God, how funny. You gonna wear them, right?
The loser has to wear the crying one around the park. We're going to the center buoy.
All three of them?
Yep.
Okay.
All three to the center buoy.
All right, center buoy, and we gotta go around the,
Same way.
Are those yours?
They don't crash
to the
into
right
each
or the
other.
left.
Move them over. We're getting ready to have a car.
We're starting the
Official drivers meeting started.
shoes on or off. All right. Everybody's got their paddles. No, with my, is that mine? Yep. There. Right there.
I think
All right.
go down. Then you guys gotta get down.
So,
I have no idea.
center buoy. Swim area. Center buoy here is our rounding point.
Carl looks really focused right now.
As you're facing the buoy, to the right. Coming out on the left. All clear on that? We already have a couple points against this third one because she was late to the meeting.
So she's got
I
to
don't
start
know.
late too, right?
6-minute deduction.
5-second deduction.
There you go. 6 seconds.
So, oh, it's Ernie's fault?
Yeah, he's doing the dishes.
Oh, it's a man figure.
yeah,
We'll give you the
whatever.
slack. All right, we're cutting you some slack. It was the man's fault. We get it.
Yeah.
All right.
The guy told him to do the dishes.
All boats are cardboard and duct tape.
If we choose at the end, we may have a tear.
We may have a tear down at the end of the day because
Hey,
Could be some.
if you tear our boat
How deep
down,
is that
I want
water out
money
there?
because at the racetrack, when we get tore down, we get 500
Hey, you're
bucks.
not in this driver's meeting. Get out of here.
Hey, Carl, demand $500.
You're out.
My name's on that boat.
It's deep. You can't swim.
It's not pit crew.
You know what? You
It's
better,
not pit crew.
somebody run back and get a life jacket for
There's life
Suzette.
jacket on the boat.
I could throw you a piece of your bread.
Boat's being moved down to water's edge. Let's go.
You don't have to put it in the water, but we can actually, I mean, we can spread out over here as well, but we have to go around the right side of the pool. That little pool right there. She used to sit in the boat.
Wait, she's not in the boat. Are you pushing off?
Mom, go.
Go, Carl!
We did not like that.
This isn't even a race.
Well, it's a race to see who's second now.
See who comes in second.
Go, Carl!
Come on, Susie. Do left, right, left, right. Come on, what are you waiting for? Go that way, Carl.
Why are you going in circles, Carl?
You gotta get your bow up, Carl. There you go.
Get back up. There you go. Too high to paddle. The arms are too high to paddle.
Finally got it. I want it. Come on, Susie.
Come on, Erica. Give us the O. When you first go. You're paddling right on your tail.
That's gonna get around that thing anyways.
My boat ain't pretty, but it floats. That's right, sister. Woo! Go, Josh. Go, Josh. Go, Suzette.
Go, Suzette.
Oh, she's gonna sink. She's gonna sink.
We didn't make that boat.
Should have got a pull to the boat.
Yeah, we got our winner. How do you feel, Chach?
I feel pretty darn good. It's been three long years, and finally.
Seem pretty motivated there. Fantastic job. Great boat.
Nice race. Come on, Suzette.
Oh, so we got second place coming in.
Come on, girl. Come on in.
Don't pull her fast. You gotta take it to shore. Come on, girl.
I thought in last place this year. Yeah!
Erica.
You gotta wait till it faces water. You finished it
He
up.
lost his shades.
Get your glasses, Frank. Did you lose your glasses?
That's Suzette.
What? What? Toss they were cheap.
They were cheap.
Looks like a happy face.
Boo boo face. Oh, the boo-boo
Carl, how do you feel?
face.
Put on a boo-boo face.
Yay!
Says it all.
Boo-boo face for Carl.